We get a bunch of fat FTDs. Didn't Hertz have a plan and still got ganked from the NYSE? Maybe their plan wasn't good enough. Each case is different, right? Rev is a high risk, high reward play. Stop asking questions. Yeah, it's very high risk, but the reward potential is also very high. There's no such thing as critical margin. That's horseshit. MA on SPY has flipped from resistance to support on the 1 day and 1 week, flirting with the flip on the 1 month. Is this decent TA basis to expect a rally or nonsense? I mean, it's good. It's good that it's holding this range, right? And indices don't like to stagnate for too long. What's up? Numbers can be fun. Good to see you, man. Rev is a high risk, high reward play. Okay, yeah. Gherk sell CC now. Help. I haven't sold any CCs now. The risk of selling CCs is really high at this point. We're just below delta neutral and just above the gamma flip point from this morning. If we cross delta neutral and we start getting a strong hedge, we can run the rest of the gamma off the chain, and we have fairly positive gamma up into like the 31.25 range. So you see how it's very dangerous to sell like a 28 or a 30 here because of this potential, right? And given that we don't know when the market's going to recover and dry like fully, when capitulation is going to peak and drive that market-wide price action, it could be into the end of the day Friday, in which case then you're locked in to $28 or $30 calls that you have to buy back on Friday at a loss, instead of waiting for the gamma. Like, now if we run up to 31.25 and not a lot of call interest comes in and we kind of grind out that gamma on the chain, then the market maker can reposition and they'll start selling into the rising price and the price can come down again. You want to sell covered calls when you think the price of the underlying is going to drop a little or stay relatively flat. Since neither of those are currently on the table, I would avoid them until one of those two things happens. If you already have them out, I hope you're far enough out of the money that you're not in that range of risk. So like if I were going to sell covered calls right now, I'd be selling them above gamma max, right? Riskless, essentially. Flip it?